When we think about revolutionary fashion design, we might think about the first pair of jeans, the little black dress, an iconic pair of trainers. But changing fashion isn't just about creating beautiful garments. It's about creating a more beautiful system. Today, we know this system is harmful to our planet. To change that, we need the skill of designers. Not only to create the clothes themselves, but to help find new materials, to invent new business models that change the way we use and own clothing, to understand people's behaviours, and to find ways to make fashion a force for environmental and social good. We need designers who want to reach to the heart of a problem, not just make tweaks at the edges. Revolutionary design changes aesthetics, but more fundamentally it shapes our economy and our society. The designers making fashion fit for a circular economy are today's revolutionaries, creative pioneers who will have a lasting influence not only on what we wear, but on how we live.